day, everyone, and welcome back to Adventures with Parker. It is another wonderful day to be at Canada's Wonderland, and today we are here for a very special reason because it's Victoria Day weekend. And for my American friends, Victoria Day is basically a holiday to celebrate the birthday of Queen Victoria of, I think she lived in the 1800s, I don't know. But today is basically a holiday to shoot off fireworks, drink lots of beer, and have fun, and that is
here on Adventures with Parker.
Oh my god! Wow, so rude of them to interrupt. Just kidding, love you guys. Anyways, as I was saying, there are fireworks tonight at Wonderland. I'm so excited. I haven't seen fireworks at the park in years, and I just love fireworks in general. So it's gonna be a good time. Of course, we're gonna get on all of our favorite rides and coasters. We're gonna eat some food and just have an amazing day. So happy Victoria Day to all of you. And without any further ado, let the adventures begin.
Multi-launch is coming along nicely. You can see the 5th or 6th inversion there. 7 LSM launches. Pretty good. Looks exciting. It's really exciting. Yeah.
Okay, pro tip, visit Canada's Wonderland in the spring because look at how pretty this is. It's like we're going through a flower tunnel. Okay, first ride of the day is the mighty Canadian Mindbuster.
The Elite Woodie.
Of course.
The Mindbuster is better than that beast that people are riding at Coaster Stock this
Oh,
weekend.
yeah.
Like, it's way better.
Screw that.
Yeah, screw that. We have Mindbuster.
Also, this is my first ride on Mindbuster this season, so that's exciting. All right, just did a back row ride on Mindbuster, and it was running really good. I mean, much smoother than than I remember it running. It's always a fun ride. Like, Mindbuster is so underrated. It deserves so much more love, and we gave it. Wiener check. We just did a ride on Behemoth, which is super fun as always. But now, it's hammer time.
Are you ready for flight deck?
Born ready.
This is like one of the best rides in the world. I'm so excited.
Facts.
Like, there's nothing much better. Like, there's not many Tacomas that are better than flight deck. You guys all got to come here and do the PMF method. It's amazing. Top 5 in the park. It's better than Yukon Striker.
This is the only Tacoma I've ever ridden in. Somehow I doubt it's the best.
was actually one of my better rides on flight deck. We were kind of towards front, and we found that it helped to really, you know, push up, really had that good straight posture so your ears are above where the restraint comes, so they're not smashing around. Yeah, not a bad ride at all. I was quite happy with that. And if anyone asks, yeah, Mitch did cry the whole time. All right, so we're hitting up Vortex because it's one of the rides that closes early for fireworks. So it looks like everyone else has that plan too, because look at the line, like way down there.
This is why you should come for ERT.
Exactly.
See, I got 12 rides on this earlier in ERT. Complete walk-on. I got to stay on the whole entire time. Dude, this is a learning lesson for you all. You get a pass and come for ERT during these times.
Hey, Vortex. Almost better than Behemoth.
Almost. So close. And this is why we get fast lane. So after riding Grizzly at Kingston Dominion, I cannot complain about Wilde Beast ever again. Such a nicer ride experience. Ugh. Like, I actually like this ride now. Like, I had to experience the worst possible version of it in order to appreciate what I have. So, Wilde Beast, I am grateful for you.
He is absolutely wrong. Grizzly slaps all over this.
No.
Yeah, it does. It's so much better.
I do have to say, I kind of wish we had a little more trees in our version, but I'll take what I can get.
What?
Always filming the back row, every single time. Oh, gotta censor this.
Censor.
Alright, we're just taking a break from the coasters to get some ice cream, and it's also kind of chilly out. I wasn't expecting it to be this cold today, so we're going to check out the Canada Wonderland store and see if there's a hoodie I can buy. Oh my goodness, they have the Squishmallows. These are so cute, but I don't know if I had the money to drop on them. Oh my goodness, they have little Canada Wonderland toques. So cute. And matching mugs. I love that. Burke, are you a chicken?
I'm a big one.
Amazing. Fashion.
That was all I had to say about that.
And if you're a fan of Leviathan and turquoise gradients, there are plenty of options here for you this year. When you already own a million Yukon Striker shirts, but there's always room for one more, am I right? And we have the Squishmallows, including the new dark ones this year. That's kind of cool. Like I said, I want all of them, but can afford none of them. Maybe one day. Okay, I gotta say I'm not a fan of Wonderland's merch this year. I mean, the stuff that I did like, I already have, so maybe that's my problem. But I mean, even the hoodies, nothing really fit me. I don't know, maybe all the hoodies were just for women, but they're just too short, and I'm not that big of a guy, so like, I didn't get a hoodie. But Mitch did let me borrow his. He's gone for tonight, but yeah, at least I'm not gonna be cold.
Yeah,
and where are we headed?
We're gonna head to Yukon before it closes because
Yes.
like it closes at 8 and the Town closes at 8. We haven't done that yet. We're gonna get those two done and then possibly the night rides are about to begin.
Yes, so excited. Getting those rides before it closes. Here we are at Yukon Striker. It's 7:30. The fireworks are at 10. And people are already claiming their spots on the hill. And someone even brought Vaughan chairs. That is a weird but great idea. I am kind of jealous of whoever thought of that.
And like there's still a lot more people coming.
True, yeah.
We're seeing the parking lot. Like people are just coming to the fireworks. This park's about to get crammed like the next hour.
Yeah, I mean, we've had pretty good luck all day, but it's getting crowded. You can feel it.
Yeah.
I think Mitch almost had the right idea, going home early.
Yeah, no, Mitch doesn't like crowds, so it's probably a good thing that he did stay.
And if you still have cravings for blue ice cream and cookie witches, there is a new facility right here near Wonder Mountain's Guardian. You will find me in this area a lot this summer because I love blue ice cream. So good. We just did a ride on Skyhawk and now we're gonna go to Vortex and get in that last ride before it closes for the night.
Let's go, Vortex last ride. One of the best coasters in the park.
Yes, actually though, it's so good. So underrated.
It's one of the best aero coasters out there.
Facts, yeah. Night is starting to fall and the lights are coming on.
Let the night rides begin!
Yes!
We wait for this all day.
Oh, hello, Yukon Striker. I thought you were closed, but they lied.
That's liars. I'm
The
gonna
betrayal! So they just opened up this space for fireworks viewing, but look, this is our first close-up view of the restaurant. Like, look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness, you can see right inside there. Okay, I just did a couple of night rides on Behemoth, the first night rides of the season. So much fun. And the other cool thing is from the top of the lift and pretty much anywhere on the ride really, you can see the fireworks in the distance from, you know, just places in the city. So that was so cool. Speaking of fireworks, it is 10 minutes from ignition time. So I think I'm gonna go back to where I was over by the new restaurant and take in Wonderland show. I'm so excited. Wonderland fireworks are always so good. So let's do it. Whoa! I want to say it's a fire pit or like a big charcoal fire pit or something.
Ladies and
It's
gentlemen,
so weird.
Canada Wonderland is now closed for the evening. Thank you once again, and have a pleasant and safe drive home.
But yeah, it was an amazing day overall. Busy as heck, but fast lane privileges for the win. Fireworks were fun too. I wish I got a better spot. I think next time I got to go on International Street or maybe up on the hill, but you know, I had that big tree in the way, which, I mean, it didn't really impact my viewing experience, but I'm sure the video could have been a bit better, but oh well, it was a fun time nevertheless. I got on lots of rides, got to hang out with some awesome people. During the fireworks, I got to hang out with my friend Tyler, Toronto Ty from Wonderland Weekly. He doesn't like to be on camera, but I will be putting his stuff somewhere on the screen here, so do go check him out because his channel is amazing. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of my theme park, travel, local, and outdoor adventures, please consider subscribing. And you can also find me on social media where I post a bunch of fun pictures and posts. Like if you want to follow my theme park visits on my story, definitely head over to my Insta, and I do a lot of live tweeting too. So ADV Parker on all social media platforms, highly recommend. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. And until next time, the adventures are calling. See ya.